And if it's odd, you multiply it by 3 and add 1. So even numbers get smaller, odd numbers get bigger. So 13 will become 40, because 13 times 3 is 39, add 1, you get 40. So it's a simple process. For odd numbers and even numbers, they're both very easy operations. And then you put them together, it's still reasonably simple. But then you ask what happens when you iterate it. You take the output that you just got and feed it back in. So 13 becomes 40. 40 is now even. Divide by 2 is 20. 20 is still even. Divide by 2, 10. 5, and then 5 times 3 plus 1 is 16. And then 8, 4, 2, 1. So, and then from 1, it goes 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. It cycles forever. So this sequence I just described, 13, 40, 20, 10, and so forth, these are also called Hailstorm sequences, because there's an oversimplified model of hailstone formation, which is not actually quite correct, but it's still somehow taught to high school students as a first approximation.